Welcome back. Welcome back. It seems like Daddy's about to go to war again. Oh God, I love it. Sound the horns. Yeah. Sound the horns. My turn. Feel good. Feel it is jabroni. Hey. I'm still here, baby. We're still here. Yo, this shit's about to go down in the DM, baby. I love this shit. Yo, dudes really think they can take me with the bullshit. Oh, so you wanna try to complain, Frankie? Hey, Frankie, I threatened you. I'm making noise complaints and stuff. Yeah. I bet you thought it was gonna be real easy, didn't you? No, baby. Now we're going to court. And just like the judge said, anything you say can and will be used against you. So, Frankie, I don't know who you are, but I think you're the super. I hope it's you. Oh, we're gonna have fun with you. Oh yeah. You fucked up. You fucked up bad. So, if you really think I came this far to be harassed by you and your little rat pack, you're retarded, bro. Sorry, my viewers. I love my outbursts, though. I love my childish taunt my enemies. It makes you feel good inside. You can keep being happy the way you do when you win. And, say, yeah, I won. No, I'm going to be like David and act like a fucking, the Lord saved my life. Again. So, you like to hold people mail back, huh? Why'd that letter say it got sent to me August 22nd, but I didn't get it till September? That's weird. I bet you didn't count on me going there in person. I bet you counted on me not, because you knew I didn't have a phone for a while and all these little shenanigan games you guys play. I bet your ass didn't think I'd just call off work and go there. I bet you didn't do that. Why ain't you show up? Strange. Just like the judge said. Oh, you work for the city? I said, yeah. He goes, all right. Well, oh, little baby. The little baby screaming. So, he's like, You don't have to say nothing now. And everyone's innocent until proven guilty. It's the law. And that's where proof comes in. See, either way, you're fucked. I hope it's you, Frankie, Mr. Super. I don't know anybody else named Frankie. Or maybe it's, I don't care which one it is. You know what I do know? When I prove by not saying a word, and I show all the videos of people getting locked up every other day, when I show the guy on the second floor, hey Mikey, when I show that homeless guy coming out of your building, out of your door, and you're not supposed to have no one living there without paying rent, you're violating the rules. When I show the judge that there's a woman that admits to being on drugs, you know, and how gangster she is, and how they gangsters up in there, right? When I show this dirty ass nigga always seem to be around, you know what I'm saying? Looking like a goddamn homeless nigga. Why these dudes is supposedly working in the building, right? But they breaking the rules.
Okay.
It really seems strange that I'm getting noise complaints and I'm threatening people. You's got people out there that literally sound the horns, tried to fight damn near everybody in the building. Remember Big David called the cops on them little niggas like 5 times in a half an hour? Because they kept threatening him. And he said, I'm not fighting you guys. At first he wanted to fight. He wanted to get busy, Big King David style. He's Judaing up. He said, man, I learned. You know what I mean? I see the ways. And I don't know what the hell y'all was arguing about, but I don't think he liked it. And then what happened? Y'all wanted to play him and beat you up and and what he do? He took the Summer Jam screen tactic and said, I call the cops on you, super gangster. You gonna threaten my life? You wanna pew me? There's 8 of you and just me? Alright, well, when I called the boys, and what happened? Called the boys. They broke that shit up and told all them homeless niggas, alright, y'all can't be out in front of here no more because I'm not gonna keep coming down here getting complaints about you threatening people. You know? All the people that hang out in front of there, you know? And then what happened? They threatened him again. He's outside of his building. He's allowed to be out there. You're not. So, Mikey, how come y'all don't, you know, how come y'all ain't making reports on these people that are literally getting the cops called on them every other night? You know? Why are they allowed to park in front of the building? They ain't got no residential parking sticker. So they're taking up spots. Not one, spots. They're taking spots from residents. So you're violating city rules now. And then, you know, this disturb the peace thing. It's real funny how you're gonna explain that I'm harassing people that are blasting music and I'm threatening them saying, if you don't turn it off, watch what happens. That's what the fucking judge said to me. You mean watch what? Me call the cops on you and videotape it over and over and over and over? Yeah. So if you start baiting me to fight, like I said 1,000 times, you are not worthy to lick my boots. I wouldn't soil my royal hands and flesh putting them on scum. Touching you lowers my value. Do you understand that? Speaking to you people lowers my value. Why do you think all I do is look through you? Why do you think when you make eye contact, I look away? Because you're lowering my value. Your ugliness and your vibration is just too much. Your wicked soul has made your vibration ugly. That's what I mean by ugly. You're an ugly individual. You could be the prettiest, handsome guy in the world or girl, and still, what's going on, man? And still be the ugliest fuck in the world. Why? Because of the things you do. So when I get around people like that, I don't give a fuck how good you look or if you're a rock face ass nigga. It don't matter. You're the same. You're bad. You're evil. And my father said, don't be around that. See, when I was a kid, I didn't give a shit. You know? Grow up in the hood. You're used to this shit. Those are your friends. Your family and shit, right? And then you start getting into shit that ain't got nothing to do with you. You start thinking a certain way that you used to not. You know? Because their vibration, their reality is overlapping your reality now. It's blending in. So you're changing, but they're not changing, are they? Nah, they don't blend a little your reality of, let's not fuck with people for no reason and let's just, just do our thing, It seems like good people don't rub off on a lot of bad people, But you guys, you sure do rub off on us and turn us to the dark side. We become Siths, like you. Haters. Fake ass tough guys, and then call the cops on people. Like, it's ridiculous. For the first 8 months, everybody was a fucking crazy tough guy. Everybody was crazy and tough. And then y'all found out, I'm not just gonna stand there and let you sound the horns. Not gonna just stand there. No one's just gonna stand there. I don't care that you got me outnumbered, because you don't have the cops outnumbered, dog. I'ma call my boys. And they come in blue. And they got them red lights too. And my boys carry heat. And it's illegal for them to bust you dudes down when you act crazy. Get it? Mikey? Like your boy that was seeing ghosts? Ghostbusters! I ain't afraid of no ghosts. He sure was. And what happened? They reached on his ass. As soon as he went, oh! They reached on him like, yo, if this... Y'all gotta start realizing these people on the street that allow you to be scum, the fiends that allow you to do what you're doing at building, they don't care that they're dead inside. That's why you can blast the music all night. They ain't gotta go to work. Niggas is getting SSI. Some niggas don't give a fuck. Or some niggas is afraid to use. I'm not afraid of you. Because there's fucking nothing you can do but hurt me. Which thus, we're too late in the game for that shit now. You niggas' faces on camera now. Now you're dumb enough to bring it to the courts. Now no one can touch me. If anybody touches me, who's it gonna look like touched me? A duh. So, the baiting shit gotta stop. The having your little dirty ass niggas sitting outside saying certain things, or when I walk outside, niggas wanna grill me and they hope that I look back and I look at them and I don't pay attention to losers. They're zombies, they're little ass kids, dog. I ain't trying to fight no little ass kid. I understand them niggas is my size, but they little ass kids. I don't get nothing for that, dog. Remember Mr. Tough Guy? I'll get one of my boys to beat you up. What I tell you right in front of all your boys. Your punk ass won't do it, though. I know you can go get one of them. You won't do it, though. You won't step up. Goliath. Yeah. And what you do, you walk your bitch ass right away. Because you know what the fuck time it is, nigga. You know I ain't trying to beat you up. I don't want to fight you. I want you to do whatever you want to do. And if you want to fight me and have me beat up for you blasting your music every night and me having to wake up and go to work every day, sorry, you don't have a life like that. Sorry, I'm an actual citizen. Sorry, I care about the city that I live in enough to go to work every day. Sorry, I care about myself enough to understand the law. By 9 o'clock, you gotta turn that shit down. And don't I let y'all go to like 10, 11? Because I still be up, dog. I be up to like 1 sometimes. Why y'all think I don't call the cops on y'all then? Because I don't give a fuck, nigga. If I'm up already, why would I give a fuck if you having fun downstairs? Bro, that's your life. You're supposed to have fun. You mad ignorant and shit. That's the only way y'all know how to have fun, is annoying other people. Pretending you're this big, I run the building. I run the building with dusty ass niggas and fucking niggas down on their luck. I'm the boss. I'm the boss. You sound more ridiculous than me when I say I'm the king of the sweepers. I'm the king of the sweepers. Like that's something to be super fucking proud of. You're the king of the lowest fucking rank in fucking society. Hey, I'm still king though. I'll take it. You're king of the bums. You're king of the junkies, bro. You're king of the swine that like to target good people. You target me. It's funny that y'all target me and try to get me up out the building, but I'm the only one that enforces the law. I'm the only one that oh yeah, I forgot. That's when it started happening. That's when you decided to make your little complaint when I started complaining about them homeless men. Why'd I complain about the homeless men after 2 years of dealing with it? Because they never came to my fucking floor. Remember? Remember you had them under control? And then, all of a sudden, you just want to blast music, and then now there's homeless niggas coming out my bathroom, just stinking it up and just all types of shit. I gotta waste my bleach and my shit, spraying shit down, cleaning shit up. That's what they have the workers there for. Remember how did some of them get discount rent or don't even pay rent and they're just living there? That's because you clean toilets for a living. Do your fucking job. I go outside and clean up after people. Don't feel bad. It sucks, but it pays. You get it? You people are ridiculous. And you're gonna pay. You're gonna pay. Every last one of you that have part in this building, every one of you are gonna fucking pay somehow, some way. And like I said before, I don't care about the law no more. Getting niggas in trouble and locked up. My father's gonna have his way with you. I see it all the time. Next door neighbor chick, head getting cracked again all over the fucking place. You the capo, dog. I heard you save her that night. How come you don't save all the other nights? Know what I'm saying? That should be. Oh yeah, I forgot she was ratting on your ass on camera, and y'all got y'all problems and shit. Y'all dudes is crazy, bro. It's real funny how everybody know everybody business up in there, but the super, the one that knows everybody and talks to everybody, he has no idea what's going on in the building with his cameras. You're a super. Your job's to be there, and you're never there. The thing on the door says 8 o'clock to 6 o'clock p.m. You're supposed to have your ass in that office all day, so in case something happens. But you're never there, ever. You're barely ever there. And when you are there, you do your little repairs now, because I summer jam screened your ass in the beginning, and y'all started realizing, oh shit. He's collecting evidence. And if I don't fucking fix this shit, he literally has a lawsuit. I have no choice but to fix it. See, the main dude, Billy, the one that owns the place, he gets it. That's why when I went to him and told him, you're going to fix this now. You can pretend like you're not, and I got money and all that, and what happened? I put his fucking face on that Summer Jam screen and showed him, look, I got a YouTube channel, and when I put you out there, dog, it's gonna be a wrap. You know what I mean? I dare you to say you're not supposed to fix my shit on this camera. I dare your ass. I dare you to say you don't know. Then I had that letter written up. He knew what time it was. That's why he fixed my window a couple days after. Well, a week after, because of your dusty, lazy ass. Remember how you said you was going to do it the next day and you never came back for like fucking 3 days a week almost? You remember? Remember how my heat was never going on? Remember how my lights and everything, remember how the lights is blowing out in the building in everybody's apartment all the time? And then I started complaining and I started videotaping that shit. And now nobody has that problem no more. Remember when the water was chalky fucking chalk? Looked like chalk water? Remember? And I couldn't take a fucking shower for months. I had to go buy water and then fucking wash up in the fucking sink like an animal. Remember? And then I complained and said, y'all don't understand. When I call Board of Health and all these other motherfuckers, y'all done, dog. This whole building gonna get shut down. What happened? Y'all niggas got that shit up the code real quick. And then the white boy inspectors and shit started coming around. And I don't even know who called them on you. It wasn't me. I ain't never the one that called the authorities or cops first. It's always somebody else. Because they hear me complaining. They start realizing, wait up, he's right. This is the law. These are our rights being violated. They have to fix this shit. Remember, Billy? Remember when you was always coming around for your rent? Remember how you used to show up when they owe your rent? And niggas used to tell you, kiss my fucking ass. Shut the fuck up, nigga. You know it's hard out here. You get your fucking money when you want. And then you'd see me and you'd be like, you got my rent? And I'd be like, yeah, man, I'm a little late. But look. Whew, I got it. I got your money, but I gotta take care of something real quick. So, you know, I always talk to you. I always worked with you. Whenever I was a little late, I always let you know. And then out of nowhere, you stop coming around, remember? And then all of a sudden, I can't get the mail, the envelope, and the stamp now. When, remember, Billy, you told me that was the reality of the life there? I ain't gotta worry about going out and getting stamps because you give this guy a box full of envelopes and stamps. But he gives me the envelope with no stamp. Or just doesn't give it to me at all. So he breaks the rules with that too. Like I said, it really seems like this guy breaks all these rules and you let this guy, Billy. Or is it you don't know? Because you're never there anymore. See, I can let you slide with that shit. You ain't around. But then that makes you look bad too as a landlord because, you know, I have your building on camera with multiple crimes being committed, cars being on fire. You got little ass dusty niggas out front of your shit all day harassing people. They definitely don't live in the building, but they know somebody on the second floor. So it seems like they're like really friends with him. Remember when they all used to party in the third floor in that bitch's building? I mean, that bitch's apartment or whatever. And then what I do? I said, oh, y'all think y'all gonna keep me up with late night parties and call the cops on y'all asses. And then niggas understood real quick, oh, we all can't be in here. And when the cops keep coming, we're gonna get locked the fuck up. You get it? And then all that little parties and the little girls that was always around, everything started disappearing, remember? Remember like a year ago, it was like savage crazy in there, and I was losing my mind and my weakness, and I made that video, I'm cracking under pressure, I'm gonna club one of these dudes. See, I wasn't gonna actually club anybody. I was gonna do exactly, I keep telling you, I'll say whatever I need to say on this camera. Because I'm allowed to. You're allowed to say, I want to club motherfuckers. Because they're breaking crimes and I'm calling cops and nothing's getting done. Because they can't do certain things. You know? They got to go by the rules. You know? So I'm allowed to say on a camera whatever the fuck I want. You know? And if I ain't, I don't give a fuck. Your actions is everything. You know what I mean? I don't threaten you guys. I always start out with the same shit all the time. Stop threatening me and stop fucking saying you're gonna do things and all this tough guy shit. Like, fuck out of here. Now you try to switch the story that I'm the tough guy threatening people. It's ridiculous. Like, this is the most ridiculous shit in the world. Like, this is what I mean, and this is why the Lord brought me to YouTube. So other people could see this shit. And then other people may have an actual understanding of how many bad people actually work together and destroy good people's lives. And we wonder why there's so many bad people in the world. Because other niggas get destroyed. No one does anything. And then they're not with the Lord. So they're like, oh, this is the way of life. This is the only way to be. I have to destroy people to get things. And that's all it is. Or I gotta follow and pretend I like people. That's the saddest thing. Like, I made a video about your dusty ass last night that I put out. Like, what's the point of being a fucking gangster and then your whole life consists of I'm around little ass kids that can't do nothing for me, teach me nothing, niggas ain't even funny, niggas just a bunch of goofies sitting around getting high. And then at nighttime, all I do is sit around old junkies and dusty ass niggas, and I can cook foods and shit. I'm like, yo, you sold drugs for that, nigga? That's what the fucking life of, that's your retirement plan? Like, that shit is embarrassing, and that's why I made the video for other men that maybe in that life your dumbass ain't get caught up yet. Like, yo, bro, that life only leads you to be around dusty ass niggas and dusty ass little niggas, because that's the only men you can control as a young stupid fuck. No other grown ass man gonna listen to none of that shit. And when you finally do that long stretch bid and your ass get out, you're done. You're done, bro. You're done. The same little niggas that was under you gonna be above you. You ain't gonna be what you think because they never loved you. And when you get back out, you're gonna think you're gonna get your spot back. You know, no, you're not. It's gonna be another dusty dude out here making a little bit of money, living in a shitty, like, this nigga hustles, I believe, or not. I don't know what the fuck this nigga do. You ain't got no job, nigga. Fat asses up in there all day long. And I be looking at niggas like, yo, bro, I was living in a better place making less money when I was selling fucking dirt weed, nigga. What the fuck is wrong with you dirty ass niggas? So fucking pathetic. It's fucking pathetic. I look at niggas like, yo, what do you hustle for, nigga? You niggas hustle to have a nice chain in a car or some shit and not have nowhere to live. I got a Benz, but I live in a shitty ass apartment or a room. What the fuck you got a car for, though? What the fuck are you talking about, dog? Oh, yeah, so you can trick bitches like you're somebody and get pushy every now and again. Instead of, you know, having somewhere to lay your fucking head and take care of yourself and your children and your family. You know, have a bigger place so you can be there. You niggas would rather fucking run around and chill and waste money on dumb shit trying to be cool for dusty ass niggas. Instead of saying, I'm doing this so I can have a better life, just like a man that goes to fucking work all day. I make more money faster than these motherfuckers, but I'm gonna live more fucked up than a nigga with a regular ass job. Y'all niggas is buffoonish. It's buffoonish, bro. It's really buffoonish. I can't even believe I have to literally... I thought this shit was part of the rules, bro. Like, when I was young, and all my OGs taught me about hustling or talked about it, they always talked about that. Like, yo, first of all, you don't even start hustling without... As soon as you get money, you're supposed to have your bail money. And I said, what the fuck, OG, why? What you mean bail money, nigga? I ain't getting caught. And that's when I learned the golden rule. Everyone gets caught, little ass dumb nigga. It's the cycle. It's the nature of things. And since you know you're going to get caught eventually, you don't know when, you don't know how, but you're going to slip up and they're going to get you. So what you have to do is already have your fucking lawyer money, you dumb asshole. Already have retirement money, meaning that if you get caught and you do get off, you can't hustle for a while now because nigga, they know you what you was doing. Just because you got off don't mean they ain't watching your dumb ass still. They waiting for you to slip up again, you know? That's why they take you to court early, make you waste a whole chunk of your fucking money because they know you can't live without money, so you're going to hit them streets even harder again. Thus, if they don't get you the first time, they're going to get your ass the second time because you're a fucking idiot. And a lot of men don't look at it like that. They think in their mind like they looked at me and now they're not. No, you're always looked at and you'll always be with that. You know what I mean? It's just we live in a very corrupt society now where they be letting you dirty ass niggas go. They can't fill up the prisons with all of you. There's fucking too many of you. It's ridiculous. And like, OGs always told me like, yo, once you secure your bail and your lawyer, now you have money now you can act a fool. Now you go buy shit. But that's what little niggas do, they said. And I was like, what you mean? He said, now that you have that, well, what you gonna do when, you know, when you get caught, where you gonna live? What you gonna do? And that's when the OG said, that's why you keep one female you don't get with her. You might sleep with her, but you don't get with her. Why? Because as soon as you make a relationship with somebody and then you're not that man and loyal and all that shit, they have a reason to fucking hate you. So what it is, as a wicked man that's doing bad crimes, you get one woman that's not the best looking. Her money's all fucked up, right? She might have a kid, you know, struggling real bad. And then you say, I'm gonna lift your fucking life up. You don't have to worry about those bills no more because your rent's so cheap and everything. And they gotta make that in 3 seconds. Make that in fucking half a fucking hour. So what I'm gonna do for you is I'm gonna pay your rent and I'm gonna boost up your life. I'm gonna get you some, a little something, something. And what you're gonna do for me is you're gonna put my fucking car in your name. You're gonna put this in your name. You get it? And that's how dudes would be able to go to jail, lose all their shit, and then still have something because they were so loyal to that woman. Now she can take all your shit anyway. You know what I mean? We ain't gonna act like that don't happen. But, back in the day with the OGs, they did it right. They knew what they was doing. And those chicks were loyal. So, they would hold on to money. They would hold on to your backup shit. And when you need to get out of jail, or when you got out of the court and you waste all your money and you have to lay low and you lay low at her house. Nobody even knows her. No one knows you know her. That's why when you disappear to her house, everybody's like, where the fuck this nigga go? This nigga vanished, bro. We know he in the city, but I don't know where that nigga be at. That nigga just pop out every now and again. We see him in the stores and, the cops gonna know. They gonna follow your dusty ass around. But, she's your chick or whatever. In their minds, she's some chick that you're lamping up under. Because you're fucked up in the game now. You're retired. You're out the game. Get it? Y'all niggas don't even think of shit like that. Oh, well, y'all do, but y'all end up doing that woman real dirty anyway. And then wonder why she take all your shit. Or rat your dumb ass out. Because you're an idiot. You refuse to understand how to use people the proper way. Everyone uses everyone, and the people that say they're not using you are fucking lying to you. What the fuck do I need you around me for if I can't use you for anything? That means you're useless. When a motherfucker says, I don't want nobody use me for nothing, that's because they're useless. Or they got used up real bad and it hurts. You know what I mean? I get those things. But the common bond between man, woman, friend, child, everything is a use. Your children have a use for you. Your husband has a use for you. They don't just need you. They want you to be there because you serve purposes. There's something that you make their life easier. Therefore, you're being used. But what makes it not being used is they give back. So you're giving, they're giving. No one gets used. But I use that word because everyone has a use. Wow, that was like the best experience I had in a coffee shop ever. I think somehow one of the women in there, oh, little babies, look at the little babies, the little babies. I swear, there's always the one crying everywhere. Even when I be uptown working, I always see them taking out the kids, or when I get home. There's always the one walking in the back crying. Ah! Like, oh God, he's probably on that. I'm tired, man. I won't be out here. It's hot. Fuck y'all got me walking out here like this for? God damn it. This is preschool. Try to go to sleep, do some coloring. I need a nap. That nigga dying. Oh man. I swear, kids are so annoying. But once you start understanding them, it's the funniest thing in the world. They're so funny. Oh, man. Anyway, man. I don't even know if I'm gonna let this video out, I'm tired of fucking provoking you niggas. And it's like, soon as I show my face, I provoke y'all. So it's like, you know what I mean? This is why I just like don't care no more, man. But we gonna wait, Ain't nothing y'all could do anyway. Like I said, man, ain't nobody trying to threaten you dudes, and I got nothing but evidence of me calling the cops on you. So when the judge said you went to him for playing loud music and said, if you don't turn the music down, watch what happens. So basically you just admitted that, you blast the fucking music on the second floor. So, you told half the truth and a lie. But you fucked up by telling that, because now when I come with all these motherfucking videos of 10, 11 o'clock at night, 1 in the morning of niggas saying I'm on the second floor cooking, I'm fucking blasting music, I do whatever I want. So then, then maybe the judge will be like, yeah, that's kind of strange that you're filing a noise complaint on him, but he has video footage of him calling the cops on you. And then the day before I went to court just now, he had to call the cops on you because you're blasting the music. And then your ass got scared because you see me record you. And yeah, the judge will be seeing that, homie. And you admitting you're breaking the rules, I'm gonna show him all the fucking videos of all you dummies breaking the rules.